Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 30, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel and locate the Do Not Disturb mode, which by default is somewhere visible like right away. If you can't see it, you can also expand it a little bit further, which will show you more toggles and additionally more pages. But once you find your toggle, you want to hold it the first time around. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the actual mode works. So you can choose who can call you, message you, what apps can continue to function normally, alarms and other interruptions, along with the option to set up a schedule. So the mode will turn on and off automatically based on your setup schedule. And from there we also have below that duration for quick settings, which defines what happens when you press on this button right here. So you have a couple options. We have until turn off. This is the default version, so you need to manually turn it on and off. You can set it up to be time specific. So once you set it up right here, for instance, I'll set up 3 hours and confirm it. Whenever I tap on the toggle, it will turn on for that 3 hours every time. But if you select ask every time, whenever I tap on that toggle, it will allow me to select one of the two options and also allow me to every time change the amount of hours if I want to choose a time specific version of it. And we have also options for notifications. Now once you went through all the settings right here and customize them to your liking, you can close this and you don't have to come back here ever again if you don't want to change any of the settings. And whenever you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, simply press on a toggle. If you want with ask every time, obviously this will show up this window, but if you didn't change that setting, it will just automatically turn on. I'm gonna select turn on, and there we go. It is now running, which you can see right here with that circle with like a cross on it. So that is how to turn it on. Now because I went with the manual version, I do also need to turn it off, so I'll do it by tapping on a toggle once again, and this will disable my Do Not Disturb mode. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.